Hey all, Ankit Kishor this side from Stierfleet team and I welcome you back to my channel. So today I have not made any video, okay, I'm just giving a summarized manner of how they went today and how I planned the trade or मैंने कैसे execute किया everything. So okay, so let me summarize the day. Okay, so by the way, today I made 27k profit here and 21 point something here, almost 48k for the day. Some issue with the copy trading software happened today, or I was not actually seeing this, so that is why this difference is there. Now talking about how I traded today. So see, when market opened here, that point of time straddle opened with just 67 points, okay, 67 66 points, and that was not making sense to me to play aggressive, okay, and that is the reason I have not made any video for you, because there was nothing to give update to you. And to prove it, you can see the number of orders. Leaving these 5 rejected orders, the number of order that has been placed is just 33. It simply shows today I have not done any adjustment as such. Okay, अगर आपको मैं वेट आप देखोगे तो मैंने सिर्फ एंट्री जो लिया ना यहाँ से जो स्टार्ट है, ओके, मेरे को एंट्री में ही ये 7 ऑर्डर्स लगे हैं, 6 to 7 orders. Other than that, now you can calculate how many adjustment I have done today. There were no adjustment actually, because first of all market was in range, second there was no premium to fight for, so that is why in the very first half an hour, for the first half an hour I tried to play aggressive, but that was not making sense to me. And at the same time, firstly the premium opened very cheap, and on top of it, in the first half an hour some decay happened, okay. So it was not giving me any favorable risk to reward ratio for me, to me, कि मैं वहाँ पे aggressive play करता रहता. That is the reason मैंने यहाँ पे decide किया, okay, I will just play completely risk off and try to collect whatever market has to offer peacefully, okay. And that's what I did. मैंने later on थोड़ा बहुत एंट्री नज़दीक लाया, अपने आप को सीटीएम पे प्ले करना स्टार्ट किया, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई थिंक आई वाज एबल टू कलेक्ट अनदर 10k. अदर देन दैट 16k is what I've made using my risk drop approach, and the rest 10k has came when I was just trying to come as close to money as possible. And third thing is here, I was lucky enough कि मैं I was thinking when market was down here, okay, I was thinking कि मैं 500 को 450 पे switch करूँ, okay, but I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Reason for that was मेरे को again the same thing is there. मेरे को इतना प्रीमियम अट्रैक्टिव लग नहीं रहा था कि मैं इतना रिस्क यहाँ पे कहीं पे लेता. And I was expecting some move, but at the same time not this move, okay. I was just expecting a small move which could have triggered my SL. This much of move I was expecting, and that is the reason मैं CTM पे आया नहीं. उस समय काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्लोज हुआ नहीं मैं कॉल के साइड, but this movement has scared all of us, because even this option, this one, okay, which was looking very safe to me at one point of time, if you'll see, यहाँ पे इसने almost 50 पैसे से ये 5 पे मूव किया. And let me show you my small account also, because here I trade a bit aggressive. I continuously kept on trading aggressively here. So what happened, पहले मैंने यहाँ पे straddle लिया, okay, in morning, और मॉर्निंग पे मैंने, अगर आप देख रहे होगे, बहुत छोटा सा प्रॉफिट मैंने यहाँ पे बुक किया है, ओके. उसके बाद आई थॉट ओके नो, हियर आल्सो आई हैव टू प्ले दैट वे, जस्ट दैट आई विल कीप ऑन टेकिंग द मार्जिन बेनिफिट. एंड यू नो इन मेन अकाउंट्स आई एम नॉट टेकिंग मार्जिन बेनिफिट, बट हियर आई केप्ट ऑन टेकिंग द मार्जिन बेनिफिट. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट everything was going very fine. And at the same time, in the second half of the day, the second part of the day, what I did, I went aggressive here, और मैं बहुत aggressive play करता गया. And here I was sitting on the straddle, again the same approach which I have told you last expiry also, so I'm not going to explain that what was the reason behind it. So I'm just going to tell you what actually I did. मैंने 450 straddle पे अपने आप को enter किया, and this C I exited at somewhere around not here, wait a while, okay, I exited somewhere around 21 and 19.75, okay. So this was the exit, but the quantity was less, okay, just 840 quantity was there. So again still I took a hit here, and because of that I took entry here. अगर मैं आपको सिर्फ entry दिखाता हूँ, because just before that I took the entry, where this C, wait a while, yeah, here मैंने 9.5 पे से सेल किया है. मैंने इसे 21 और 19.75 मीन्स 20.5 के एवरेज में मैंने एग्जिट किया. मीन्स 11 पॉइंट का मेरे को यहाँ पे लॉस हुआ इन अ मैटर ऑफ जस्ट 4 मिनट्स, ओके. और that actually again gave me a loss of like 9k, and because of that again I was very comfortably up almost 26k here, 26 something, and I was looking for 32 30 something, 34 35, but I took a hit there, and then I shifted to 500, and that was also scaring me, but still I kept on adding, because I knew that this is going to be out of money options and going to expire 0. So I kept on taking an entry here, and 2.5 is my average selling price here. So that gave me something as decay, or because of that I am able to close 22k, which is almost 1.25% of the capital. 1.2 you can take as of capital. Now coming back to main account, so here again if you'll see the number of stack that I've entered, even the quantity that I've placed, all those things shows how I was playing today. Okay, I was at all not interested in playing aggressive, and that is the reason I actually managed to get some decay, I would say. Okay, there is nothing more to say. The kind of premium we are getting for expiries are not making sense. It is not pricing in any kind of movement. Okay, और यहाँ पे अगर आप अग्रेसिव जा रहे हो and you are sorting at any price, or in these options if you are sorting out at any prices, you are definitely going to get a hit someday. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे कहीं पे ये मूव अगर इधर कहीं पे आता, शायद मैं भी आज ब्रेक इवन बंद होता या फिर थोड़ा बहुत लॉस में बंद होता, बट नॉट दैट मच. व्हाई रीजन फॉर दैट वाज बिकॉज आई सेंस दैट थिंग कि market is not pricing in any kind of movement, so better play risk drop and try to collect whatever market is going to give you peacefully in on such a day. Okay, if there is a premium, then obviously I will go aggressive. I will try to collect as much as possible. But when there is no premium, when there is no factorization of risk, then better to collect whatever market is offering, and don't try hard to just get some decay. Okay, even on this on such a day when I was playing peacefully, I actually collected almost 14 points of decay. If you can see, sorry, 13 something points of decay on this sizing, which is very good for me, because 13 points of decay on such a day makes so much of sense to me, and that is why I'm really happy with the performance today. And that's all from my end. I hope you're learning something from the analysis and adjustment that I'm doing. And if you do, then please like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot, and bye bye.